Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can assign a secondary email address to your account in the Webflow website builder or building tool in 2026. So let us dive into the step number one here from the website designer. Click into these three lines on the top left, select dashboard. Step number two, here in your dashboard, navigate to your account settings in top right and choose account settings here. Step number three, what you want to do is navigate to email here on the left hand side. And step number four, under secondary email address, what you want to do is click into this button, enter the secondary email address here, so that for instance, as you can see, if you accidentally lost access to your account, you may use that secondary email address here to get in contact with the support and to ask them for help, in this case here, to regain access to your account. So that's how it works, guys. Don't forget to click into add email here, and then the secondary email address will be saved here in your settings. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.